Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram Messenger update or Instagram Messenger icon not showing. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you need to launch your Instagram app, and as you can see, I have the old Instagram messaging icon. So how do I go about getting the new Instagram Messenger update? So firstly, you want to ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So once you have the latest version of Instagram, you simply need to tap on your profile, which is in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now once you're on your profile, you then need to tap on the menu icon or the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now at this point, you need to click on settings, and right at the top you'll see update messaging. So you simply need to tap on update messaging. So once you tap on update messaging, you'll be greeted with this interface right here, and it says there's a new way to message on Instagram. So these are pretty much some of the features of the new update. So you can be able to change the background color, you will be able to react with emojis, swipe to reply message, create selfie with stickers, chat with friends who use Facebook, and so on. So if you don't want to update to the new feature because you won't be able to go back, you simply need to tap on not now. But if you wanted to update, you'd simply need to tap on update. So since you want to fix the Instagram Messenger update, you'd simply need to tap on update. And once you go back to your home page, you'll see that the messaging icon is updated and all the new features will be there as well. So that's pretty much how you'd go about updating fixing rather the Instagram Messenger update. And if this does not work for you, then you could simply go ahead and clear the data and cache for Instagram. But that's pretty much how you'd go about fixing Instagram Messenger update not showing. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.